Alright y'all, we are pulling up to Scotland Boy's house. We're about to scoop the boy. We got the poles in the back. Stay tuned. Alright, Kayak Boy's back. We doing a pond fishing video today. We're just gonna pull up Google Maps, figure it out, find the first pond we see, and go crank some lips. What do you think, Scotty Boy? What do you think?
Alright guys, so the good thing about Salt Lake has a lot of bodies of water. So what we're gonna do here is go find the first body of water that we see. 4-minute drive. 4-minute
drive. Alright. So next time you guys see us, we'll be at the first pond location. Yeah, hopefully with the fish. We are at the first spot. Looks a little something like this.
Canals goes probably, I would say, a quarter mile down that way from what we've seen so far, and then we're kind of just gonna trail it, fish it hard, see what we can get.
Yes, sir.
Oh, bro, you'll feel it. Trust me. All right, guys. Sorry for the wind noise. Oh, there it is again. Oh. I can't seem to get this fish. I can't tell if it's small, and that's my issue. But he's eating me. He seems to be eating me. Right about here. Oh. Oh, got him. All right, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We're up, we're hooked on. Oh, it's a good size one, brother. Oh yeah, baby, come here. Come to daddy. Oh, I can't boat flip it. I can't boat flip it. It's too big. Yes. Let's go.
For a minute.
Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. He was biting. That was a perfect hook set right in the top front lip. Felt him bite it.
Let's go. All right, Scotland Boy just caught one.
Nice little 2-3 pounder, I'd say.
Yes, sir.
This is what we came for, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
This is what we came for on the
Look at
nice
this
crack and
hook set.
craw.
Hook set in the lip.
Hook set, top of the lip. Nice
This
clean
is-
hook set.
This is the bait he used.
Crack and craw.
Little Guggen Squad. Crack and craw, baby.
Google Maps challenge, you guys. That's what we came for. That's what we know that are here.
So give him a little sniff.
Look at that mouth.
Let's go.
Google Maps challenge. Look at this. We're right in the middle of a residential neighborhood. We got backyards right here.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to put this baby back though.
Let's
So
get him a little release here.
All right, guys, a little update here for you. We just left the first Google Maps location.
Really, like 2 hours?
Yeah, it's about 2 hours. I'd say we were at least 2 hours. Landed a good fish. We got one pretty good sized fish. It was kind of a weird day today. It was almost seemed like it was really juicy, but yet the fish are still here in Utah. The fish are still spawning like heavy. There's not really much post spawn going on right now, so most of the fish we're catching are going to be on beds, and we just got to agitate them until they bite. It seems like that was the deal. I got a lot of little bites, just more of aggressive bites, kind of get the fuck away. What did we throw? We threw a Kraken craw, bandito bug,
Topwater frog,
a topwater frog. So it was kind of versatile. We're gonna get some lunch now, kind of rejuvenate, and then go to another Google Map location, see what we can do there.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned.
We are back. We are at spot number 2. It's the Jordan River. Just this little river right here. Got a little trail. People riding their bikes.
We decided to switch it up, you know. Utah is very versatile. We got ponds, we got rivers, so you know, might as well go where we can catch some fish.
Yes, sir.
We already got one on the board, ready for the next one.
Yep.
You know, that's how our day's going today. It's a good day.
We're just rigging up at the back of the rig runner, as John B would say. So we're gonna get rigged up, and we'll see you guys down there.
Peace. What is that?
Oh, what the foul hooked him, bro?
Dude,
that's a foul hook.
Look at that. Let's go. Spot number 3 pays off for us, huh? Damn.
Sorry, bud. I didn't mean to foul hook you.
Hey, he was going after the worm. He tried to get away, and you didn't let him.
Oh, yeah.
So, a baby rainbow?
Yeah. Sorry, buddy. I feel bad.
Let's go. Fish Cut's getting us on the board at the 3rd spot.
Sorry, dude. I didn't feel bad. Boom,
Let's go. Check her out.
Just a little dude.
Oh, another snaggy.
He's out.
Thanks for playing, bud.
Let's
go.